So, good morning students. Today we are going to do some problems of class 10 mathematics, and the name of this chapter is Introduction to Trigonometry, and the chapter number is 8 and exercise number 8.4. Okay, this is a NCERT or CBSE maths. So question number 5 we have given here. Question number 1, cos sec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so we have to prove here 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus what cos theta. So we have to write down here what cos sec theta minus cot theta whole square. Okay, this is the left hand side. We have to write here left hand side, and then after cos sec theta means what 1 by sin theta. So we know that we have some problems, so we have some formula. Okay, so that formula we have to memorize, otherwise we are not able to do these problems. Okay, so we have to know that formula. So cos theta equal to what 1 by sin theta, and cot theta equal to what cos theta by sin theta. So now we can write in cos theta equal to what 1 by sin theta. That means cos theta we know that 1 by sin theta, and cot theta means what cos theta by sin theta. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. So whole square you have to write. Now you have to take the what LCM. Okay, so what is the LCM of sin theta? So sin theta you have to write. So what we can write in the above, that is 1 minus what 1 minus cos theta. Okay, cos theta we can write whole square you have to write, and then after so now we can write 1 minus cos theta. Okay, 1 minus cos theta you can write 1 minus cos theta whole square. Square is both of these. Okay, so that is why you can write 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by what sin square theta. Okay, sin square theta. So again we know that as sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to what 1. Okay, so what we can write here sin square theta, if you keep here that 1 minus what this plus cos square theta in right hand side minus cos square theta you can write. Okay, so in the place of sin square theta we have to write 1 minus what cos square theta. So here we write what 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so 1 minus cos theta whole square we can write divided by sin square theta means what 1 minus cos square theta. That means 1 square minus cos square theta you can write. Okay, so that means this is the a square minus what b square a plus b whole into what a minus b. Okay, here we can use this formula. Okay, a square minus b square equal to what a plus b whole into a minus b. So now what you can write here, that is 1 minus cos theta whole square, that means 2 times you can write, that is 1 minus 1 cos theta into what 1 minus cos theta you can write, and 1 square minus, that means this is the value of a and this is the value of what b, so cos square theta. So that means a square minus b square equal to what a plus b whole into a minus b. That means 1 plus cos theta you can write into 1 minus cos theta you can write. Okay, so this thing and this one would be cancelled. So what remain here, that is 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So this is the right hand side proved. Okay, So we have to prove what right hand side. So this one, okay. Therefore you can write here therefore you can write here what cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, okay. So here we have given what cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, okay. So we have to prove what 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So we have already given here what cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So you have to write here left hand side. So here cosec theta minus cos theta whole square you can write, okay, this one. So cosec theta, we know that cosec theta means what 1 by sin theta minus cot theta means what cos theta divided by sin theta. So that is why we write here, okay. So cosec theta means 1 by sin theta and cot theta equal to what cos theta by sin theta. So these are the formula which we have to memorize, okay, right. Then comes to the next, that is next step is here, that is what 1 minus so you have to, now you have to take the what LCM. So here sin theta, that means the LCM of sin theta is what sin theta. So 1 minus what cos theta you can write, so whole square. So now whole square is both of these, okay. So that is why we can write 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by what sin square theta, okay. Sin whole square means what sin square theta you can write, and then after you write 1 minus cos theta whole square, okay. And then so we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So if you keep here sin square theta equal to what, we can write 1 minus what this plus cos square theta in right hand side minus cos square theta you can write, okay. So 1 minus cos square theta. So now we write 1 minus cos square theta in the place of sin square theta, okay. So that is why, so 1 minus what cos square theta, that means you can write what 1 square minus cos square theta, okay. Because we have to write what a plus b into what a minus b. So here a square minus b square equal to what a plus b into a minus b. So you have to write what we have now we can write 2 times, okay. Square means what 2 times you can write. So 1 minus cos theta into what 1 minus cos theta, and this is the we can use this formula here, okay. That means a square minus b square equal to what a plus b whole into a minus b. That means 1 plus cos theta into what 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta, okay, or 1 minus cos theta upon 1 by cos theta. So this one would be what cancels. So what remain here, that is 1 minus cos theta divided by what 1 plus cos theta, okay. So this is the right hand side prop. So hence or therefore you can write cosec theta equal minus cos theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, okay. So this is the so we have proved it, okay. Thank you very much. If this video is helpful for you, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.